In this example, I have 4 different people and sales that they made by month across the year. And I want to find the month that they made the first sale. To do this, I need to find the column that corresponds to the first non-negative or just non-empty value of whatever row I'm in Excel. And to do this, I can use index match with a bit of a twist. So first, I show you the match piece equals match. Open parentheses, lookup value. We want to look up true. And the reason why I'm typing true is because the criteria that we're going to put in the lookup array will return a true, false, true, false, true, false. And we want to find where the first instance of it being true. So lookup array. We want to look up right in this range right here, and we want to have it where the value is greater than 0. So wherever the lookup array they're in is greater than 0, and it's going to return false, false, false for the first 3 months, and then true for 50. And then you have 0, and that would be an exact match in close parentheses. And you can see it is 4. There's the array right here is returning false, 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 and then true. And it matches the true to that value right here. Now I'm going to put this in index function to return this piece right here, different instead of this. It's a 4 corresponds to the 4th column, but we want to return April instead. To do that, we're just going to do index or parentheses, and then we're going to hide this range right here. And then comma. We don't want the row number to be 4, we want the column number to be 4, because the 4th column, so we do column again to get the column number, and then close parentheses. As you can see, it returns a number, but we can easily convert that to a date by clicking on short date. As you can see, the first sale for Bob was in April of 2024. I'm going to lock a few things down really quickly. So that way this will work as a copy paste down. And as you can see, I'm going to Control 1 real quick, change it to a more favorable date formatting. And as you can see, the first month that Bob got a sale was in April. The first month that Joe got a sale was in June. And then the first month for Phil was this date is January, and Jared is in March. And this is great if you're trying to find this for a bunch of different rows. And one thing to note too is that you can tweak this criteria here to be whatever you want, in the sense that in this example I have it where the first the array where I want it to return true wherever there's the first instance of something being greater than 0. But you can adjust this logic to be greater, not greater than 0, but greater than 100, for example, which in this case was August, or not equal to blank, or not negative. But the thought is that you can tweak this logic to be whatever you want it to be. So you're changing this to 200, for example. In this case, Bob would be in August. And A, because Joe never got a sale more than $200. Phil, same month, and Jared, the church is April. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.